the teachers, students, and our respected guests. I'm so glad to see all of you here. You know, today is a peculiar day. The day when 16 best TED Mans for high school are gathered here with one goal: to win. And I guess that I can do it, because my topic aims straight to the hearts of those who are even hardly connected with RBL. Well, it's how to recognize a Lyceum student. I revealed 3 the most prominent qualities that differs us from the others. So, the first one is, no matter how primitive it may sound, but it is plan spinning. Yeah. No matter where we are at any time, we always spin our pants with great satisfaction. Furthermore, we are addicted to this process. So, if you see a person spinning a pen, then be aware that this person is a Lyceum student. So, another peculiar characteristic is that we are great fun makers, great jokers. But fortunately, or unfortunately, nobody except us can understand these jokes. For instance, for about 2 or 3 years ago, there was a joke among our students. But for teachers, it was a real headache. Probably some of you have already guessed what I'm saying about. Well, it's Tiong. Yeah. We use Tiong when we say something incredibly silly and then try to change it into a joke. Let me give you an example. 2 years ago, when I was in the 9th grade, 2 students from the 11th were arguing. By the way, all of you know the rule that it is prohibited to open the tutor's room. You should just gently knock 3 times, then wait. But one of these students approached the tutor's room, opened it with no knock, and guess what he said? He said "Tiong" and immediately closed the door. That's it. So let's turn to the third peculiarity. It's connected with our appearance. There is so strange thing in our high school. If somebody makes an extraordinary new haircut, then almost all other students make the same. Let me prove my words. So this haircut was considered to be really trendy for about 3-4 years ago. That's it. Yeah. This haircut is familiar for all of you, because approximately 60–70% of today's Lyceum students have got this haircut. Yeah. This one. So, I was thinking for a long time, who had established this haircut? So the answer is in the next slide. So, yeah. So, who else? Okay, but every rule has got the exception. Okay, there is one student in our high school who is against all the rules, against these haircuts, against stereotypes, against everything. So, it's Zimnak. It's respectable, thank you very much. Okay, and in conclusion, I want to say that our Lyceum, Republic Basco Boarding High School, is unique, nothing like anything else on earth, with different and interesting traditions. So, guys, let's try to keep to all these traditions and never forget our golden school years. Thank you very much.
Where's the stressful? In the beginning of the word or in the stress? False, yes, stress. Which syllable is stress? Tiong or tiong? Thank you. Question, guys? Okay, you?
Yes, why did you choose this topic?
You know, I love our Lyceum, and I wanted to share this energy with all of you. That's it.
Question 2. Do you remember? Anybody else? Cameraman? Question?
So in the future, so you tell us about 3 teachers of our students. So, but I think you know more.
Yeah.
What is the number in your list? Full number of difference. Just say number if you have.
You know, there was what a statement in website Contacte of our graduator, and approximately there were 150 qualities that differ some from the others. That's it.
Right answer. Thank you.